Want to know how to create your first database in Qdrant? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so simply open up a Qdrant application or the website. So we have also created some videos regarding Qdrant, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch that. So now once everything is done, on the leftmost side you should be seeing dashboard, and right beside get started you should be seeing clusters. Just simply select that, and now once you have the clusters, you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing create a free cluster. So you can just simply enter a cluster name. So I'm just going to type in and then just simply select create a free cluster. Now you can also select a cloud provider and reason. So you can just simply select any one of these and then also select a reason that you want, and then just simply select create a free cluster. Now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, your free cluster or the database will be created easily, and this is how you can create a database easily in Qdrant. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.